Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel. Students, in today's episode, uh, we will talk about issues that affect us and our planet. Okay? So, today we are diving into something that everyone in Delhi and its surrounding areas has been feeling. All right? The air quality. Today we are going to talk about the air quality and why is it worsening. So the air around Delhi and its surrounding areas is worsening, and it is making it harder to breathe. But why is Delhi's air quality getting worse, and what can we do about it? Right? So first thing first, let's start with a big reason: stubble burning. Every year, हर साल, farmers in the states around Delhi, like Punjab and Haryana, after they are finished with harvesting their rice crops in October, uh, and once the crops are harvested, they are left with piles of straw, which is called stubble. So instead of spending time and money to remove the stubble, some farmers set it on fire so that they are quickly clearing the fields for the next crop. But here's the problem. क्या करते हैं सबसे पहले? जैसे कि उन्होंने चावल बोया था, तो अक्टूबर में उन्होंने हार्वेस्ट कर लिया। अब उन्हें राबी क्रॉप उगानी है। राबी क्रॉप को उगाने से पहले उन्हें वो फील्ड क्लियर चाहिए। तो जो वो स्ट्रॉज का बंडल होता है, स्ट्रॉज जो लेफ्ट हो जाते हैं, जैसे आप देख पा रहे होंगे इस पिक्चर में भी, राइस के जो स्ट्रॉज हैं वो फैले हुए हैं। तो these piles of straw are called stubble. तो इसको मैनुअली निकालने में जो टाइम और मनी जाता है, right? So instead of doing that, what some farmers do, they just set it on fire. And this whole thing quickly clears the field for the next crop. Okay, next Rabi crop. But here's the problem. When these fires burn, they release huge amounts of smoke and pollutants that float into the air. And this pollutant, this smoke, it travels right into Delhi's area. तो ये जो धुआं उठ रहा है, ये जो स्मोक उठ रहा है, ये डायरेक्ट दिल्ली की तरफ जाता है. And in fact, just a few days ago, on October 23rd, stubble burning was responsible for around 16% of the harmful particles in Delhi's air. So this makes it even more dangerous to breathe. But that's just one part of the story. Now, let's talk about the weather. Okay? दिल्ली का जो वेदर है उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. You might think, what does the weather have to do with the air pollution? Students, हम सोच सकते हैं ऐसे कि जो दिल्ली का वेदर है उसके वजह से क्या पोल्यूशन में कुछ अफेक्ट हो सकता है? Well, it has a lot to do with it. And right now, as the monsoon season ends and winter begins, Delhi's winds become weaker. Okay, जो दिल्ली की जो winds हैं, हवाएं हैं, वो weak होती जाएंगी. क्यों? क्योंकि मॉनसून खत्म हो रहा है और टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज होने लग जाएगा. Right? And these calm conditions mean that pollutants stay close to the ground instead of just blowing away. So this also traps smoke and dust in the air we breathe. ओके, तो एक तो जैसे ही मॉनसून खत्म होने लगता है, विंटर सीजन स्टार्ट होने लगता है, तो जो दिल्ली की एयर है वो क्योंकि वीक होने लगती है, वीक होने की वजह से फ्लो नहीं करती है, और विंड अगर फ्लो नहीं करेगी तो क्या होगा, जो उसके साथ जो पॉल्यूटेंट होगा वो भी उधर ही स्थिर रह जाएगा. ओके, it will not be blown away. And this whole thing, this whole situation, it traps smoke and dust in the air we breathe. Okay, and this combination of stubble burning and calm winter weather creates a kind of pollution trap over Delhi, which causes the air quality index. Yes, it causes the air quality index to reach dangerous level. Okay, and when the AQI is over 300, when it is over 300, it has which we have seen in recent time, it means the air is very poor, or you can say it is even severe. All right, so this is about the two factor which contributes to the Delhi's air pollution. Now let's not forget about the local pollution. We know that Delhi is a bustling city filled with cars, buses, and trucks. So, and even there are some factories and construction sites also, which adds dust and emission into the air. And around festival times, there's another challenge, firecrackers. And although the government has banned them, some people still use them. And it also adds more smoke and chemicals to the air. So each little bit adds up, and this makes it hard to breathe. Okay, तो सारे जो factors है वो combined है. हम हर एक का बिट बाय बिट एक रोल होता है, जैसे कहते हैं हिंदी में कि बूंद बूंद से सागर भरता है, तो वैसे ही बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स जो हैं, इन सब की वजह से दिल्ली की एयर पॉल्यूशन खराब हो जाती है. सो व्हाट इज बीइंग डन टू फिक्स दिस? वेल, authorities in Delhi have a plan called graded res- response action plan, or simply GRAP. So this plan is like a set of steps that they follow based on how bad the pollution is. And right now, they have activated stage 2, which included things like adding more buses to encourage people to use public transport, stopping certain types of diesel vehicles, increasing road cleaning to reduce dust. And they are also trying to, stop illegal burning and reduce the basically use of polluting vehicles. But Delhi's pollution problem is quite big. And while these steps, it can help, they are only a part of the solution. And Supreme Court, when we talk about the Supreme Court of India, which is the highest court in the country, recently reminded everyone that having clean air is fundamental right. It is fundamental right of every citizen. हमारा मौलिक अधिकार है, स्वच्छ हवा हमारा मौलिक अधिकार है. This is a fundamental right. And they are pushing authorities to find effective solutions to tackle stubble burning and pollutions from other sources. Right? But what can we do? Now, it might feel like a huge problem, but even small actions can make a difference. See, first, we can try to walk or use bicycles instead of cars whenever it's possible. Planting more trees is also, you can say, it's another way to help, because trees actually absorb carbon dioxide, release oxygen. So this makes the air cleaner. And we can also raise awareness by talking about these issues with family and friends. The more people know, the more we can push for cleaner air. So that's our story about Delhi's air pollution, right? It's a problem with many causes, and you know, the solution has the it, but this problem, it also comes with many potential solutions, and by learning about it and taking small steps, we can all be a part of the solution. All right. So thank you for tuning in, and remember to take care of the planet. It's the only one we have. Until next time, keep breathing easy and stay curious. Bye bye.